So continuation of the previous video, I'll start with a small example sum. I'll take using differentials, find the approximate value for the square root 36.6. One sum I will teach very slowly, then 2 or 3 sums I will try to teach myself. Then listen to the video. The first one, formula is written here to find out errors and approx. The first step, square root 36.6 can be written as, so square root na 36.6 power la 1 upon 2. Square root na power 1 by 2. Now, the previous video I told you how to find out the shortcut. 36.6 la nearest which two number? In the number 2 times, sorry. Which number? 2 times. In the number 2 times multiply panna. You'll get 36. So you get this is perfect square for 36. So this can be written as 36 plus 0.6 power 1 by 2. I hope so. Anybody? I think nobody's. None of the students will have a doubt in this. 36 plus 0.6. Why I have written 36? 36 as a square root. Now I'll move on to the formula. F of x. We have to choose f of x. F of x is must needed. So f of x is equal to, if it is power 1 by 2 na, x power la 1 by 2. If it is power 1 by 3 na, x power 1 by 3. If it is power 1 by 4 na, x power 1 by 4. If it is power 1 by 10 na, x power 1 by 10. Shortcut. Next, you have to find out x equal to 36. X equal to 36. Delta x na, I told delta x na, error. How much is error? 0.6. Suppose 101 plus 2, 1 plus 2 na, 100 is something, I will do the next sum also. So x is 36, delta x is 0.6. Next I will move on to f dash of x. Differentiate this one. So how to differentiate x power 1 by 2? 1 by 2 munadi vandrum. X to the power la 1 reduce agum. That is 1 by 2 minus 1. So finally I will get f dash of x na 1 by 2. And this one x power minus 1 by 2, and f dash of x equal to 1 by 2. This one is root x. This one I don't think so. None of them students will have a doubt. Next, I have to substitute the x value and delta x value. X value. Step 1, step 2. F of, in place of x badala 36. So 36 power 1 by 2. So the answer is 6. And here f dash of 36. So 1 upon 2 times square root 36. 1 upon 2 times 6. 1 upon 12. Next, substitute in directly to the formula. Step number 3. Substitute to the formula. Step number 3. So formula substitution. I'll go with that one. So f of x plus delta x, that is 36 plus 0.6 is equal to formula. F of x. What is f of x value? F of x value, straight value 6 plus f dash of x value 1 upon 12. Delta x value 0.6. So 6. If you know the LCM, not take LCM. If you know how to calculate this one, not calculate the value and then add with 6. The choice is yours. So don't confuse yourself. Choice is yours. After this, choice is yours. So I can cancel it. This one will become 1 time and this will become. So according to your textbook, the answer is they given you 0.05. So 6 plus 0.05. The answer is 6.05 is the approximate value for this square root 36.6. I'll repeat one more time, then I'll go for second sum. Find out the approximate value for 36.6. So I'll go on to the 36.6 can be written as power 1 by 2 square root. 36 I have a square root, so 36 plus 0.6. 36 said to be x, 0.6 said to be delta x. Then choose f of x. Power 1 by 2 na, x power 1 by 2 f of, in place of x ku badala 36, so f of 36, the answer is 6. Then f dash of x, differentiate, so f of x we are having f dash of x, differentiate one more time, substitute wherever x comes 36, keep the value. Next, substitute in the formula, f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x. What's the value for f of x? F of x value is 6 plus f dash of x. F dash of x value 1 upon 12 times delta x value 0.6. Calculate, you get 6.05. I'll move on to the second sum. Those who have not understood, those who have not seen the video, I'll move on to the second sum. That is square root 25.3. I'll wipe out. I'll explain the second sum. So the second sum question is, find using differentials, find the square root value for root 25.3. First step, 25.3 power 1 by 2. Square root na power 1 by 2. Next, எந்த நம்பரை 2 times multiply பண்ணா 25 வரும் இருக்கா அப்படி ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்கா whether this numbers exist or not? Yes, exist. அப்போ 25 plus 0.3 power 1 by 2. If it is 26.3, then answer is 26.3 power 1 by 2, and here 25 plus 1.3 square root, and the square root number தான் இங்க x. Next, find out x equal to 25 and delta x equal to 0.3. As I said earlier, step 1, f of x, choose f of x. இங்க power 1 by 2 na, இங்கேயும் power 1 by 2. Next, step number 2, f dash of x. X power 1 by 2 differentiate பண்ணா டைரக்டா நான் போட்டேன். Next, f of x க்கு பதிலா என்ன போடணும் 25. அப்பனா 25 power 1 by 2, the answer is 5. I have circled down. Next, f dash of 25, that is 1 upon 2 square root 25, 1 upon 2 times 5, the answer is 1 upon 10. Again I have circled down. Next, step number 3, substitute in the formula. F of x plus delta x is equal to f of x value, f of x oda value 5 plus f dash of x oda value 1 upon 10, delta x value 0.3, so 5 plus, that means if you have a doubt, take LCM. 50 plus 0.3 upon 10, the value is 50.3 upon 10. Then find out the value. I'll move on to the third sum. Those who have a doubt, I'll move on to the third sum. In your textbook, the sum is 26 power 1 by 3. So 26 power 1 by 3. So find the approximate value for 26 power 1 by 3. So 26 power 1 by 3. So power 1 by 3, please note it down. Which number 3 times if you multiply, you will get 26 nearest to 26. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8 da varudhu. I need to get nearest to 26. 4 into 4 into 4, I'll get 64. But nearest to 26 varla. 3 into 3 into 3, 27 vanduchu. So this can be written as 27 minus 1 power 1 by 3. So x equal to 27, delta x equal to minus 1. Please note it down, minus 1. Now therefore, as usual, f of x na another power 1 by 3 na x power 1 by 3. F of x power 1 by 3. As usual, step number 2, f dash of x na differentiate. Power முன்னாடி வரும், powerல 1 reduce ஆகும். Therefore, f dash of x is 1 upon 3, x power minus 2 by 3, and f dash of x 1 upon 3, x power 2 by 3. Next step, f of, in place of x க்கு பதிலா 27. அப்ப நான் 27க்கு cube root. Cube root அப்ப என்ன வரும்? 3 cube. So answer is 3. Next, f dash of 27, x க்கு பதிலா. So 1 by 3, 27 power 2 by 3. Class 6th portion, 27 power 2 by 3. So f dash of x equal to 1 upon 3, 27. Apana 3 cube power 2 by 3. 3 cancel. So 1 by 3 times 3 square. The answer is 1 by 27. 3 cube, 9 3s are 27. Step number 3. Formula substitution. F of x plus delta x. அப்போ x பதிலா 27, delta x பதிலா -1 equal to f of x. f of x க்கு value 3 plus f dash of x க்கு value. f dash of x க்கு value. I'll circle on in the blue color. f dash of x க்கு value 1 by 27 into delta x oda value -1. Now normal LCM. 27 3s are 81 minus 1 upon 27. Now the answer is 20 by 27. So you can find out the decimal value. So that's the exercise 6.4 la first Roman la 7th sum. 6.4 la first Roman la 7th sum. First Roman la 7th sum is answer is approximately. So it is 2.96. So we got 2.96. So this is an example. So I've given you all the basics. I completed 4 sums, approximate value. I'll wind up. The next sum is very easy. If you understood these sums, now remaining all the sums you can do very easily. Okay, so I'll move on. So I'll move on to the next one. F of x is equal to. So I'll move on to the next sum. Okay, I'll wipe out. Same formula they have asked in textbook. Sorry. So the next one is find the approximate value f of x. Find the approximate value for find the approximate value f of 3.02. Example number 23. F of 3.02 where f of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Easiest sum. So no square root, nothing, just a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so f of x is given very easily. Same formula. First one, 3.02 can be written as 3 plus 0.2. So x equal to 3, delta x equal to 0.2. F of x is ready. So I'll write one more time. Step number 1. F of x equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Step number 2. F dash of x, differentiate one time. 6x plus 5. Wherever x comes, 3. About 3 into 3 square, 5 into 3 plus 3. So you'll get the value. In your textbook also given you. The value is approximately 27 plus 15 plus 3. 27 plus 15 plus 3 will get 45. And f dash of 3 you get 16 into 3 plus 5. That is 18 plus 3, 23. Now directly substitute in the formula. There is no struggle in this, obstacles in this. Just directly substitute in the formula. I will circle down few things in the blue color. F of 3 ki 45, f dash of 3 ki 23, and delta x is 0.2. So directly go and substitute in the formula. The formula is formula is ready. F of x plus delta x, 3 plus 0.2 equal to f of x. F of x value available. F of x value straight of 45 plus f dash of x value available 23 into delta x value available 0.2. The final answer you get 45 plus 0.46. Therefore, the final answer is 45 plus 0.46. I'll teach one more time. They're asked example number 22. Example number 23. Find the approximate value for f of 3.02. So 3.02 na 5.02 na 5 plus 0.2. They in textbook exercise they given me find the approximate value for f of 2.01, 5.001, 3.02. They given you 3-4 sums. Same model. So 3 plus 0.2 x equal to 3 delta x equal to 0.2 f of x wherever x comes put x for the value 345 f dash of x differentiate one time wherever x comes x value 3 will get 23 directly substitute in the formula f of x value 45 f dash of x value 23 delta x value 0.46 add 45.46 now I'll wind up with the basics again because you guys will ask me again sir I didn't understand எனக்கு புரியல teach பண்ணுங்க in classroom virtual classroom na you can ask me many times I can teach you but offline video la I understand few guys still not understood எனக்கு உன்னை read பண்ண முடியும் still some of the guys are not having how it is x value is coming so I will write all the sums one more time you guys உன் மனசுக்குள்ளே சொல்லி பாரு how to find out so 36.6 க்கு power 1 by 2 ல x value என்னது delta x 25 power ல 1 by 3 x and delta x next 25.3 power ல 1 by 2 x and delta x 49.5 x and delta x 0.6 power ல 1 by 2 x and delta x 0.009 power 1 by 3 x and delta x 255 power ல 1 by 4 x and delta x 82 power 1 by 4 x and delta x 3.968 power ல 3 by 2 x and delta x so these are the basics one more time second time I'm teaching the basics so first one power ல இருக்கிறத முதல்ல முடிவு பண்ணு power 1 by 2 square root cube root square root square root square root cube root fourth root denominator 2 மட்டும் பாரு அப்ப square root so 36.6 can be written as square root இதுல எந்த நம்பருக்கு square root ஈஸியா இருக்கும் 36 க்கு square root 0.6 க்கு வேண்டாம் so அப்பனா x equal to 36 delta x equal to 0.6 and this one cube root எந்த நம்பருக்கு nearest cube root இருக்கும் 27 அப்ப இதுல -2 அப்பனா x equal to 27 delta x equal to மறக்காம -2 next 25.3 square root 25 க்கு square root இருக்கு 0.3 க்கு கிடையாது தேவையில்லை power 1 by 2 அப்ப x equal to 25 delta x equal to 0.3 49.5 square root 49 க்கு square root இருக்கு 0.5 வேண்டாம் so அப்பனா x ஓட value 49 delta x equal to 0.5 and 0.6 power 1 by 2 nearest ஆக square root கொஞ்சம் பேர் என்ன காமெடி பண்ணுவாங்க 0 எடுத்துக்கலாமா தேவையில்லை 1 minus 0.4 power 1 by 2 so x equal to 1 delta x equal to minus 0.4 0.009 nearest cube root இருக்கிறது cube root நல்லா பாத்துக்க 1 எடுக்கலாமா 1 எடுத்தா cube root இருக்கு so நீ போட்டு பாரு இப்ப நான் எடுக்கிறேன் 0.008 க்கு cube root இருக்கா எந்த நம்பரை 3 times multiply பண்ணா 0.008 வருமான்னு பாரு வருதா வரலையா நீ செக் பண்ணு இல்லையா 1 minus 0.001 power 1 by 3 இது பாசிபிளா இல்லையான்னு நீ செக் பண்ணி பாரு you check okay you check and tell me no problem okay 255 power 1 by 4 அப்போ 256 which number has a fourth so 256 minus 1 power 1 by 4 so அப்போ x equal to 256 அப்போ delta x equal to minus 1 82 fourth root அப்பனா 81 க்கு இருக்கு 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 3 into 3 into 4 times 81 plus 1 power 1 by 4 அப்ப x equal to 81 and delta x equal to 1 and last one power 1 by 2 அப்பனா 3.968 power 1 by 2 முதல்ல பிரிச்சுக்க. Power 3 தனியா வச்சுக்க. Which number nearest number has a square root? 4 is having a square root. 4 minus 0.032. Check பண்ணி பாத்துக்க. So 3.968. So power 1 by 2. The whole cube ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணாது. Don't touch. So இப்போ இங்க x value என்னது? X value is 4 and delta x is 0.032. So இது எல்லா சம்மிலும் f of x என்ன choose பண்ணுவேன்? f of x, x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 4, x power 1 by 4, x power 3 by 2. So check it. You can do. So I have tried my level best to teach you errors and approx in your application of derivatives chapter, exercise number 6.4. First Roman 15 sums. So எந்தெந்த சம்லாம் நீ பண்ணலாம் rough noteல you can do first Roman. I'll start with example sums. So example number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 I'll teach you later. Then exercise first Roman la 15 sums. Then second Roman, third Roman, then 8th Roman. You can do MTG sums also. I'll wind up with this class. You can and you will. Thanks a lot.